Hey, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. So we're just going to continue on with the 2019 cleaning and decluttering. I already shared with you the kitchen and the living space. Now moving on to my decor and like seasonal stuff. So I'm about to start with the artificial flowers. I have quite a bit of those. I'm not gonna take a lot of time with them, but I'm just gonna corral them all into one bin, and then later on I'll go through and get rid of the ones that's maybe discolored and all that stuff. But I'm on a roll. My kids, I've already started them to clean in their room, so I'll share that probably in the next video. So I'll go back in there because I've already cleaned out my little one's room, so he's just going through and getting up his stuff. And then my oldest boy is over here pulling his linen off and getting ready for the new school, you know, the new school year, the new school season after winter break. So that's what we're doing. We're just knocking them out, cleaning, decluttering. Usually I like to do this right at the first of the year. So yeah, I'm about to bring you along. Let's go. Okay, so this is going to be the easiest way for me right now, because right behind me I have like bins of seasonal decor and all that stuff that I've been taking down, wreaths, all that good stuff, picks. So what I'm doing now is just going through. I have this tin right here. I have quite a bit of artificial flowers and greenery like this that I used to use a lot over in Germany when I used to go, only have really IKEA. I'm not gonna go through and declutter at the moment. I just want to really get this organized because I don't want to spend too much time and energy on this because I have a bigger situation behind me to tackle. So right now, this is going to be the easiest way, just to go ahead and take these flowers and place them in here, and then I'm going to move on to other things that's more important. But yeah, I definitely am going to go through and, like, I don't ever see myself using this ever again, but right now we're not going to even focus on getting rid of stuff. Just going to put it in here. Whew, this is a lot, but I went on and have all of those things corralled, like little pearly picks and all that stuff, even my little foxtails. I've been trying to put these out, but I can't figure out how to display them and make them look nice without being overwhelming. But this is all the things that I'm not using, opposed to that garland that's over there is here in this bin. I'm gonna leave it here so I can go ahead and tackle everything else in my home. Okay, so this is what I'm faced with right now. I corralled everything that I'm not using, or I started packing this stuff up and I left these bins here. Like, here's where I started putting all the fall things in here. I still had stuff that I got from like big lots that I never put up. I took this wreath off my front door and I really don't have anywhere to place it right now. I'm gonna put it right here on the step. So this stuff is in boxes. Some of this stuff I've already started trying to get rid of it. So this is my box to get rid of. I need to go through this box right here. It's over here before it falls. I need to see. I think it's maybe time to get rid of those skates there. This is what I just brought back from the gallery. This was the tray that was on the end table. Now I need to go ahead and put it up because I switched the tray out. And now I have this tray. Trying to make it balanced and look nice and simple and glam and elegant and all that stuff. So anyways, this is what I'm faced with. We still have luggage that needs to get put back up. So I'm just here extremely decluttering and cleaning. So let's do this.
You sing out your frustration, just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. those who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
Good morning. So it is the next day. I got most of all of this cleared out. We just have to tackle this. This is trash right here. Good morning. So it is the next day for me starting to clean that big mess that was back here. This is trash. I just have this to tackle right here and we will be done. But all of this was completely filled with mess, trash, and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna finish this up, get this trash loaded out of here. All of this is gone. There's money right here. I'm gonna go in this closet as well and tackle this bag. This is from when we moved and I just put it in here. It's like knick-knack stuff. So all of this stuff is gonna get decluttered as well. This is my decor closet. Okay, so this is where I put my curio cabinet and I'm using it as storage. And this is my decor little closet here. And I can squeeze through here. So I need to go in here and tackle this, but I have all of my extra stuff that definitely it's not gonna stay. But yeah, all kind of stuff back here. All right. So this is how I store all the rest of the decor that I'm not currently using. Candlesticks. Under here, let me move this so you can see. It's this. You guys may have remembered. This used to be in my bathroom in Germany. These are statues. Those boxes are actually big statues, Thomas Blackshear. And this is just more baskets and stuff that I put decor on. Let me just hang this back over here so it can get out the way. Okay, I know for sure I'm gonna purge those. Don't want those anymore. This is some of the stuff. Okay, so that's what's here. And then at the top, these are old picture frames that I just need to figure it out and get this stuff taken out. But I just put them there for now. Okay, so that's this closet. And then this is wreaths and garland hanging on the door on a little hook. So yeah, it's like, there we go. Alrighty, so this is what needs to be tackled, but I'm not gonna worry about this. I need to finish up everything else before. So I'm about to tackle this. This is like towels and stuff that I'm putting to the side. These are gonna be my cleaning towels, but I need to go ahead and fold them up and get them placed somewhere. But everything else is still clean. Alright, so let's clean up, let's finish. Okay, so I just moved this box here. This was a box that I started to get rid of and purge, like decor and stuff. But then it became a catch-all box, and random stuff before we went on vacation just got thrown in here. So I'm gonna empty, pull out all of this stuff. Some of this stuff don't even belong in here. Trays and everything else. So I'm gonna pull out this box and empty it and reuse it to get rid of stuff. But that was what was here in this little hallway. And then, you know, my broom and stuff, all of that. and then that's the trash bag. So we're at the tail end of finishing up everything, because once it's done, it's done. So excited. So if you guys need to do this, need a little encouragement and motivation, you got a bag or a box of stuff that's needing to be addressed, let's get it done. Okay, so this is the stuff that was inside this box here. It was just a few other things mixed in, but it was like old curtains that I didn't want, a few decor pieces that I was already getting rid of, stuff like this, you know, that was in there. But this whole bag, put it back in there, and then I'll just have this little pile right here to tackle, and then we'll be moving on. Here is this closet. I put this reef here because I don't have anywhere to store it at the moment, but this is a hot mess, and we're about to tackle this as well. So I'm about to pull out this bag. It's like decor here. This is where that little messy garland went. So this is more greenery that's gonna get put out. All of this stuff needs to get put. Okay, so I am so excited about it. Can see the floor of this coat closet. You guys may know or may not know that we got our household items here in October. Then we had guests in November. In December we traveled. So I haven't had time to actually clean and declutter this closet. It looks so good. I do still need to go through. These are a few decor pieces up here, but I'm gonna just leave them for now until when I go back and purge all of my decor that's over here in my decor closet. So when I go through and start going through this cabinet and taking out extra, like down here is trays and things that I know that I'm not gonna keep, then that's when I'm going to tackle this right here. But nonetheless, this closet for now is cleaned out. So excited about it. So now I am going to move on. We are officially finished with this coat closet here, and now I've been mopping. That's what this is, the mop over here. Okay, here are the bins that I was able to pack up and get things out. So I just left them right here because we're gonna go ahead and put them in our back shed. But I have fall and like holiday decor-y whatever in here, ornaments, this wreath, and this has picks in there, and then this is, here are the container. I'm gonna go through this before I go ahead and put it up. I just brung it on the back porch so I can sit here, but these bins and this stuff right here is gonna go in the shed, and this right here. So I'm excited that I got all of this accomplished.